walks of life. But we are indeed glad and grateful.
The Honourable Minister for Industry, Trade, Tourism, Lands and Mineral Resources, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow Fijians, Bulamanak, and a very good afternoon to you all. Bulamanak. I'm very happy to be here in Lautoka this afternoon to continue the rollout of one of my favorite government programs, grants to small and micro businesses. Today, we will be giving our grants to successful recipients here in Lautoka. The recipients are part of the successful 11,000 applicants for the 2016-2017 financial year. One of the main objectives of the Fijian government is to see our local enterprises grow from within our economy and grow to contribute to our nation's economic activity. SME sector's contribution is very vital to nation building and success of our economy. Many of our micro and small business operate in the informal sector, with their contribution to the Fijian economy is not being recognized. With programs such as the Micro and Small Business Grant, we have been able to bring a greater number of micro and small business into the formal sector. It is always encouraging to see how resourceful and innovative Fijians are, and the fact that they are ready to take risks and make a living for themselves. Since its inception in 2015, the Micro and Small Business Grant Scheme has continued to grow, and to date, 9,581 micro entrepreneurs have been supported to the tune of $9.5 million. After today's events, government will have brought the total number of beneficiaries of this important initiative to 9,750. and impacting the livelihoods of more than 48,000 ordinary Fijians. At this juncture, I would like to reiterate that my government is very keen to continue support for the development of the MSME sector, and government later this week will announce the budget, and I assure you that we will continue to fund programs that will benefit our micro and small entrepreneurs. We are also grateful for the generous support given thus far by our development partners in the government and other governments who recognize the importance of nurturing and fostering the growth of our macro and small entrepreneurs. We heartily thank the Government of India for its continued assistance towards our macro and small business grants program. We are giving you the ability to help yourselves and your families. We are putting our confidence and trust in you to use this assistance well. We want you to put this money to good use, to either buy what you need to start your own business or improve the business you already have. To the 169 recipients, you are joining 266 previous successful applicants from your area who have received the grant and have successfully established their businesses last year. To share some highlights of this grant initiative, the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism conducted a post-disbursement monitoring exercise to measure the impact of the business and livelihoods of those who were admitted in 2015. It was encouraging to note some positive results after 2 years since these people received their grants. Mrs. Mother Salaiuda of Korobisalo village was assisted with $1,000 to expand her flowering business. This has further improved her business, which was realized through the increase in the number of orders received and also increases in profit from $50 to $150. Mrs. Devika Kumar of Nosori was provided with $1,000 for food selling business. Her income increased from $50 to now $120 a week. Mr. Anaretu Inraki of Mrs. Lautoka was assisted with $1,000 to expand his handicrafts business. It has now have an increased profit of $200 per week as compared to $100 previously. Ms. Lisa Amelia of Nakabu Village, Nandi was provided $1,000 for a farming business. She is currently planting dawa and other root crops and vegetable produce, and has expanded increase in earnings from $70 to $100 a week. Mr. Levanin Bola of Naive Valley Village, Nawadibuka, was provided with $1,000 to start up his beekeeping business. The grant assistance allowed him to purchase the needed materials for his business, which allows him to earn $100 per week, which contributed positively to improved standard of living for his family. As usual, I would like to make mention of some recipients who will be receiving their grants this afternoon, and they would rise if they could rise when I announce their names. Mr. Praveen Chan of Tomuka Street, Lautoka. Mr. Praveen Chan here. Mr. Praveen Chan of Tomuka Street, he will be given $1,000 for the purchase of caravan for his shoe repair business. He's not here. Miss Pushpa Wati of Kula Place, Lautoka. Pushpa will be given $1,000 for the purchase of materials for florist business. Mrs. Penina of Moti Chandra Street, Lautoka, will be given $596 for the purchase of stock for her canteen business. Mr. Sanaila Nagase of Lautoka will be given $900 for the purchase of his materials for his piggery business. Ms. Vivek Nan of Savedi Lautoka will be given $1,000 for the purchase of material for his poultry business. The micro and small business grant facility is an important undertaking of the Fijian government. And as such, I urge you all to take ownership of this opportunity, utilize the grant assistance for its intended purposes, work hard in terms of running your businesses. And remember, my government has invested and placed its trust in you to contribute positively to uplifting the MSME sector, and at the same time, improve your standards of living and those of your various communities. This is an exciting moment for all grant recipients in Lautoka and must be treasured. So to you all recipients, I wish you well in your business ventures. Thank you.
Aniket Kumar, Asuda Gambar, Adenisa Nakoasa, Kaya Nabokimosina. Australiani Nana Rubeni Nakadesa, Nakaseva, Ulaisi Radava, Ufra Devi. Veniana Vana, Limoli, Vimal Vikesh Prakash, Vinesh Kumar, and Virisila Koritona. Ladies and gentlemen, please a round of applause for our Chief Guest this afternoon, the Honorable Prime Minister and Minister for Industry, Trade,